Meaning of Iran.
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 Iran. The term Iran refers to a country in Western Asia. It is bordered by several countries including Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Iraq, and Pakistan. The name Iran translates to land of the Aryans and is said to have been derived from the Proto-Iranian word Arya. Iran has a rich history that dates back thousands of years and has been home to several notable empires and civilizations. Today, Iran is known for its diverse culture, beautiful landscapes, and significant contributions to art, literature, and science.